Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to prevent the microphone on Facebook PC with the new update. So let's get started. The first step is to open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the web address bar and click on View Site Information next to it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access the site settings. Next, click on Site Settings to access the permissions for the Facebook website. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that the website has, including access to your microphone. To prevent Facebook from using your microphone, scroll down to the Permissions section and locate the microphone option. Click on it to disable the microphone access for the website. And that's it. You've successfully prevented the microphone on Facebook PC with the new update. Now you can browse Facebook without worrying about your microphone being accessed without your consent. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.